Something really big is happening in the Middle East, and let me tell you, it's not just about oil, war, or politics. Saudi Arabia is quietly building something that could change the entire regional trade map. And the reason? The Houthis. Yes, the same Yemen-backed rebel group that's been firing missiles at Israel and attacking cargo ships in the Red Sea. Now, for over a year now, the Houthis, backed by Iran, have been disrupting global trade. They have been launching dozens of ballistic missiles and drones towards Israel, claiming solidarity with Hamas. They have sunk ships, captured crew members, and turned one of the world's busiest trade routes, the Red Sea we are talking about, into a danger zone. Now, every time a missile flies from Yemen, alarms go off in Israeli cities. The last few days alone saw rockets raining over Jerusalem and central Israel as well. So, you know what is Saudi Arabia doing about it? Building a plan B, a brand new trade corridor, one that completely avoids the Houthi stronghold in the southern Red Sea. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of depending on the dangerous shipping lane leading to Suez Canal, it is Riyadh that is working on a new land-sea route connecting Saudi Arabia, Egypt, and Iraq. And you know what the heart of this plan is? A futuristic city in a desert. This city will be called NEOM. You have probably heard of NEOM. That's the wildly ambitious $500 billion project meant to be Saudi Arabia's answer to Silicon Valley and Dubai rolled into one. Robots, flying taxis, vertical cities. NEOM promises all that and more. But now, it's not just a tech hub, it is turning into a major shipping and logistics center. The Saudi press also confirmed that NEOM Port successfully completed a trial run of this new trade corridor, and here's how it works. A shipment left Cairo, crossed the Red Sea through Egypt's Safaga port, then landed in NEOM, and then transported overland to Erbil in northern Iraq, a distance of nearly 900 kilometers. Well, the journey was twice as fast as the traditional Red Sea route, and Saudi Arabia is not just experimenting. They have deepened the NEOM port to handle the world's largest container ships and built nearly 3 kilometers long wall to accommodate more cargo. This is no longer just about futuristic dream, this is strategic survival. Now, you know what? If Saudi Arabia's alternative trade route actually works, it could open up faster, more stable supply chain, possibly even for Jordan, Egypt, Iraq, and more. In the meantime, the Houthis aren't stopping. Just this week, they released a propaganda video showing 10 captured crew members from a ship that they actually sunk, the Eternity Sea we are talking about, which they claim was headed to Israel. Despite Israeli, American, and British airstrikes, the Houthis are not listening. So here's the real story. While bombs fly and missiles scream over the skies of the Middle East, it is Saudi Arabia that is quietly laying tracks, building walls and digging ports. This is economic warfare, 21st century style. Not with guns, not with tanks, but with ships, corridors, and concrete. And yes, as the world watches the battle unfolds, Saudi Arabia is betting that the future won't be won on the battlefield, but at the shipping dock.